Steering wheel crooked. Tires are straight. Must be a Dodge. Guess who's back?
Back. Slim Shady. That dude.
Yep.
What do I need?
We're going riding tomorrow. Today's a work day. We might rip it up a little bit in the back, but we got some stuff to do like air filters and stuff like that. So let's get working, Deb. So what ended up happening to your shoulder? Let's talk about that. Hold on, drop your stuff. Let's talk about it.
No.
Okay, Devin. What happened?
I don't know. I just went rolling downhill.
Yeah, but you gotta explain more.
No, I don't.
What happened?
I guess the bike rolled back a little bit too much and gone.
No, but like what happened to your shoulder? Is it okay?
Yep. It was just sprain.
Nothing's broke.
No.
Or dislocated or anything.
Nope.
Which is good. Technically, he probably shouldn't be riding tomorrow because he's got a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. But he feels good, so he's not going to ride really hard. He's just going to...
As long as I don't crash.
But knowing Devin,
It's gonna happen.
the sticker, my SX sticker started to peel off when I pressure washed it the other day. So I had to take them off, so now it's naked. But Devin got a graphics kit on his. There we go. Looks good.
Look at all the dirt from when I hit Killer. I
Yeah.
peeled some out.
He had some battle scars from Killer when he fell. That.
We
All
need
the
to take
dirt
these-
packed in there.
We need to take these wires in.
Look at his grit. It's got like 5 wire ties on there, and it's.
I feel like it's gonna stab me in the hand.
Let's listen to Nikki purr.
Is she in here?
You just put in first gears and neutral. Rocket.
That should be a neutral, shouldn't it?
Yeah. It rolls. Oh wait, no, you got the Recluse. It rolls in gear.
No, it doesn't.
That's
when
what I
it starts
hated.
to shift.
That's the only thing I hated about the Recluse. Dude.
I did so good.
Why'd you shut it off?
Because.
You want to hear the worst sound on this planet? No. You might not be able to pick it up on camera because it'll echo really loud. It'll be really loud. But it's bad.
It's ugly.
It starts up, no problem.
Usually.
Watch a grenade.
Gosh, that almost sounds like
Timing chain.
top end.
Sounds like the timing chain. It's loud. It's like really loud.
The other thing you need to do is get the spring out of here.
What if it's a
Bring the heavy
tensioner? Because
hat.
I remember it was loud, and we didn't. That timing chain.
I can't believe the tensioner went bad already.
Well, the tensioner went out before when I first got it. We had to get a new one because it was really loud. I don't even know.
Dude, that's disgusting, dude. You can like see all the way down in there because of the light.
Why is it disgusting?
Dude.
So, Doug, what are you doing?
Trying to get these bolts out of here that I'm gonna retard to put them in.
Oh yeah, Doug, take off your airbox cover.
Oh.
Other side. Look how clean that air filter is. I mean, like, it looks brand new. We are gonna clean it, but we're gonna wait till we're done riding. Riding today. So we're strapping the bikes on. This is what I noticed on Devin's bike.
I ride faster.
Oh yeah, I ride faster when my rear end is... Well, we're all loaded up, ready for tomorrow.
My knees are shot.
Gonna rip it up.
I'm not joking.
That video will be out soon. Peace.